Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my, oh my gosh, what month is this? November Boxycharm unboxing. Totally forgot what month we were in. It's November and I have my box here. So excited to see what is inside, and I will let you guys know also what box number I have. I try and do these videos every month. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll end up just doing a tutorial using the products on my Instagram, or I unbox them here on my channel. If you guys like seeing these Boxycharm unboxings here, let me know in the comments down below and I will keep doing them, or I'll just do like a makeup tutorial on Instagram because that's fun too, or I can do both if you want. I am really curious to know what is inside here. It feels kind of heavy this month, kind of bigger. So if you guys have never heard of Boxycharm before, it is a monthly beauty subscription service, and it is probably the most popular beauty subscription service because they give really good full-size products. I always actually end up using a lot of my Boxycharm products in like my everyday makeup, so I think it's really worth it. I do get these boxes in PR from Boxycharm, so thank you so much to Boxycharm for sending this over to me for free to review for you guys, and I always give you my honest thoughts. So if you want to find out what is in my November Boxycharm, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification button down below so that way you will get notified every time I upload. So you kind of have to like double subscribe these days. If you guys want to find out what is inside my November 2020 Boxycharm unboxing, then please keep watching. If you guys don't know, is $25 a month, and it is usually a like $180 to $225 value of full-size products inside the box. And I do have a code down below if you guys want to sign up. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you guys sign up with my code, and I'm always super grateful when you guys use my links. It helps me out so much, so thank you. Open it up, and I don't look, I just reach my hand inside and pull a product out. That way it's kind of a surprise. So let's start with the first product. And we have here, oh, this kind of looks like a mini. Is this a mini? Pero Primero Primer, Longwear Sticky Pigment Base. So I talked about this a little bit in one of my previous videos, how these sticky primers kind of were a huge thing in 2020. These like gripping primers. Oh my goodness, this is sticky. Wow, they weren't joking with that name. Okay, it's like matte and very sticky. I am so I am afraid a little to put this on my face, but also kind of curious to try it out and see how it would work with my foundation. So like literally your finger sticks to your hand. I'm just doing this as like a sample so you guys can see. You got me curious, Almar. I'm going to try this out and see how it works. Next up, let's see what else we have in here. You guys can see. Ooh, something from Milk, which has been a huge part of my weekly budget beauty buys. We've been finding so many Milk makeup products. This one looks familiar to me. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. So it is high volume and waterproof. So it says thickening, heart-shaped fibers provide long-lasting volume, length, and curl. So I have actually not bought any, and you guys are going to be so surprised with this, no Milk makeup from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I don't know, I just didn't buy any. I guess I was being really good, but I didn't really want anything that badly, so I just never ended up buying anything. So this is nice to be able to get this because I can kind of finally get a chance to try out the brand. I've tried some samples. I got one of their products in PR one, so I have tried the brand before. The mascara looks like, oh my goodness, it is a big heavy tube. Holy cow, I was not expecting this. It's like, it feels like a piece of steel or something. This is crazy. I do not have any mascaras that are really like heavy like this. So let's open it up. My goodness. This, ooh, okay. This is like industrial looking. Ooh, okay, that is interesting. It looks like a natural hair bristle brush. This is the most intense mascara packaging I've ever seen, and I kind of love it. I think it is so unique and cool. All right. I remember when Milk makeup was first coming out, like, I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. Cannot wait to try this, you guys. I'm definitely gonna have to do an Instagram tutorial testing these products out because I'm already excited to see how they perform. All right, next product. This is the third product. Why do I feel like I only have 4? Oh wait, here it is. Wait, let's do this. What are you? Is a mask. Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. So this has pumpkin. You guys know I love my pumpkin. Turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. So this is supposed to hydrate and exfoliate, leave your skin supple and radiant, help minimize pores, give a healthy, radiant glow. So everything in here looks really good. We have carrot, honey, sugar cane, thyme. I'm hoping this isn't an abrasive kind of scrub. I mean, let me just open it up and see. Why not, right? See what the texture is. So here's what it looks like out the packaging. The mask we got last month, that Frank Body one, I loved that mask. Yeah, it actually does have those like scrubby little guys in here. So I'm wondering how this is going to be on my skin. Like, is it going to be too rough? It smells amazing. It smells like pumpkin goodness. This is actually like the perfect fall scented mask. It almost feels like a sugar in it, but it feels actually a little bit rough on my arm skin, so I'm like, ooh, I don't know if this will be good on my face. I know everyone now kind of tries to avoid like a physical exfoliant and tries to go for more of a chemical exfoliant, but I'm still going to try it out and see what I think. This will be really fun for like kind of a fall PM nighttime skincare routine. Two more products. So this is Peach and Lily. Oh, you guys. Okay, so Peach and Lily is the parent brand to another K-beauty brand I love called Peach Slices. So if you've been watching my channel, you know I love the Peach Slices Gel Moisturizer. So this, I've never tried Peach and Lily though. So this is the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. So let's see what we have here. Licorice root extract, cucumber, peach, hyaluronic acid, ginger. We have vitamin E, aloe, rosemary leaf extract, lavender. Everything in here looks good to me. Full sulfate-free cleanser, contains no harmful ingredients, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And there's no synthetic fragrances, dyes, mineral oil. So let's open this guy up. I was just thinking the other day that I wanted to try out a new cleanser. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's like soft and matte. So just like some simple packaging. I love K-beauty. So definitely going to test this out tonight and see how it works with my skincare routine. Okay, last product in here. We are going to reach in. What is this? It's a cardboard. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wait, what? This is, hold on, we have to open this. This might be crazy. I'm already shocked. You guys, this is a Natasha Denona palette. Wait, are they serious? Holy cow. There is a Natasha Denona palette in Boxycharm. I'm like so blown away right now and was not expecting this. Like, what? And this is such a pretty color scheme. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have to I'm still shocked. This is the Peak palette, the 5-pan eyeshadow palette. Let me open it up so you guys can see. How? That is crazy. I really hope you guys are getting this in your box too, because this is one of the craziest things that's ever been inside my Boxycharm. Oh my gosh, Natasha Denona box. I'm like still so shocked by this. So there's 4 matte shades and 1 shimmer that looks gorgeous. These colors are right up in my alley and I am so excited to use these. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to do a tutorial. Wow, this is so cool. I think her 5-pan palettes, I have to see how much they retail for. Ooh, it has a nice closure. It's like, I love that. That is so fun. Woo! Okay, so I am so blown away, you guys. Okay, let's read the pamphlet because this is insane. Comprised of both creamy matte metallic formulas from the Biba, Safari, and Sunrise. This is $48, you guys, and it's a Boxycharm exclusive. This is so cool. The Peach and Lily Cleanser, which I was talking about before, is $28. The Milk Makeup Mascara retails for $24. The Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric Mask is $45, and the Alamar Cosmetics Pigment Base is $15. So it's a water-based primer designed to glue. Oh, is it for eyeshadow? Oh my gosh, you guys, I thought it was for your face. So the whole time I'm talking about a pigment that was so sticky for your face, and it's for your eyeshadow. Okay, well, there you have that. It says maximizes color and pearl dimension, enriched with shea butter. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. I'm very excited to try that nonetheless as an eyeshadow primer, and kind of relieved it's not for your face because it was like so thick and sticky. But I think it'll work amazing as an eye primer. And this is really cool too. Natasha Denona is giving 25% off. Coupon code, it's NDX Boxy. So that's amazing. That is way more than the Sephora sale. Even more than the VIBs or the VIB Bruges we're getting. So if you want to score something on Natasha Denona and treat yourself for the holiday, that is an awesome code. So, okay, wow. This box is pretty darn amazing. Let me tally up the total. So the total retail value of all the products in my box added up is $160. I think this box honestly was so good. Even if you didn't like the other stuff that came in the box, even though I really liked everything, just to get the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette alone is worth it for the box, if you guys know what I mean. Because to get her brand, her shadows, which are, you know, so popular and super hyped up, although you guys know, like, I had a Natasha Denona palette and I didn't end up keeping it because I didn't really reach for it that much. But I want to try out these shadows and see what I think of them as compared to the Star palette that I had. But this is crazy. Like, I really hope you guys are going to be getting this in your box too. So for reference, I know you guys like to know, mine is box number 33. So I am like really just blown away by this month, and this is super shocking. You guys saw, I was like, what? Crazy. And I'm excited to try the eyeshadow primer, the Kush mascara, the cleanser, and then this is like a little fall fun treat mask right there. Wow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm November unboxing. Definitely one of my like favorite boxes ever. All probably because of this. I think this is amazing, and we've been getting some amazing brands like this one. We got Huda products, the liner, and the liquid shadow. So I have been super impressed with Boxycharm, and I feel like they do such a good job at giving really good brands inside the boxes. So let me know if you guys got the same box as me, or if you got something else. I'm really curious to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, my link will be in the description box. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!